Welcome everybody. In this new airdrop video, I'm going to show you the airdrop that is on screen. Okay, call the Novastro chain incentivized testnet marathon is now live. Okay, just nothing complicated, just doing form fill ups. Okay, everybody can do it. Your old grandfather can do it. Okay, so never be freak out about it, and go click on that link and go through whichever browser you have. Okay, so never be freak out ever. So here is I will use same email, and here is paste your EVM wallet. Okay, that is your Google sorry, that is your MetaMask wallet I'm showing you. So let me show you. There's I already copied from MetaMask your Polygon, your Arbitrum, your BNB, Ethereum, everything all together. Okay, this address. Okay, so your EVM wallet address just take from MetaMask. Okay, and follow them. I did follow, let's say, and my Twitter handle is this. I follow it their Twitter by my account, this account, and put in your account in here, and I joined their Telegram by this Telegram ID. Same. Okay, nothing. Never be freak out. And how excited are you for the Novastro chain testnet marathon? Okay, cannot wait. Okay, super surprised. Click on here. Super surprised. Send me a copy. Click on there and submit. Okay. Alright, this is the work. So if you be freak out about anything, just check out this video's description box. Everything informations you will get about us. Okay, and so please be accountable. Please be accountable of mine. Okay, because I'm saying you that I never stop. You are seeing my progress that every day I'm doing publish 5 video, 3 video. Okay, I did today 3 video. Okay, and very soon another video is going to publish. Okay, so I'm welcoming you. First, my channel, Telegram channel. Here is I'm posting new airdrop post, and I'm keep updating that is keep updating old airdrop. Okay, if you participate in one airdrop and you forget that, never work. So you need to be updated all the time. Okay, so never freak out. Okay, I'm so ready to help you. I never be disappointment, comfort. I will stay in Goldilocks zone, and where I will make a lot of great video, and I will help you through those video. Okay, because I'm not meet with you physically, but I'm meeting with you through this video. See you later next time. Until that, happy hunting. And very soon, keep in mind all the time. Very soon, I will publishing. I'm going to publishing another video. So stay with the channel and become the ultimate testnetter airdropper, being eligible in the airdrop. So